This is Ben with WTI to tell you my thoughts on the bug out bag from Sirius Survival.
The backpack itself is surprisingly lightweight, yet really compact. It has a durable outer shell, plus lots of zippers and compartments to hold all your necessary items. The best part is that this bug out bag comes with everything you need to face an emergency situation. It also saves you the extra time and money of having to buy each individual item on its own. Included in the packet are some emergency shelters. You got a bunch of glow sticks for some emergency lighting. You got a coil of rope. You got gloves. There's some goggles. You got a toolkit. You have ponchos and even a pair of emergency blankets. There's also a first aid kit that has a bunch of tools along with bandages and other medical supplies. There's a nifty all-in-one tool, a sturdy serrated flip knife, a handy wallet-size multi-tool, plus a pair of compasses to go along with just a whole bunch of other items that are very useful in case of emergency. The one I love the most is this compact emergency weather radio. You can charge it through solar power, you can use a hand crank, it comes with a built-in flashlight, and of course you can stay informed of updated conditions. Really, this water-resistant bug-out bag has everything you and your family need to face any type of disaster.
So if you want to be prepared for any type of emergency, the bug out bag from Sirius Survival will give you ultimate peace of mind. And that's my point of view.